Good morning children, welcome back. Today we shall learn a new letter, small case W. W stands for watermelon. W stands for wood. Let's revise some more new pictures related to W. Children, you will repeat with me. W for water. W for water. W for watch. W for watch. W for whistle. W for whistle. W for window. W for window. W stands for windmill. W for windmill. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit which everybody loves to eat. It has so many seeds. W for woodpecker. W for woodpecker. W for worm. W for worm. W for whale. W for whale. W for wool. W for wool. Children, this is your notebook. You all are familiar with it. This is the margin. You will not write anything in the margin. You will write W, small case W, in these two blue lines only. You will not touch the red line. A slanting line, left to right, and again a slanting line, and repeat the pattern. This is W. Like this. Upwards, slanting, down slanting, again upwards. Like this, you will repeat the pattern. You will write only in the blue line. W for watch. W is for watermelon. W stands for well. W stands for watch. This is a hop, skip and jump. Junior KG, your first book of handwriting. Open up your book to page number 53. 52, you have already completed capital W. You will write this small case W. Trace all these and you will be writing in a straight line. And do not forget to write the date on the top. Do complete your homework, children. This is your homework for today. Thank you.